lovelies, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sue Henry, back again with a new video. If you're new here, karibu sana, and please consider subscribing to join the family. This is a channel where we do everything and anything positive. And if you're a returning subscriber, by now, you know you are always my best friend. And guys, in today's video, I'm going to be preparing myself for delivery. You can see I've not done my hair. My hair needs to be done actually. Because if I go in labor like this, I'll be looking like maybe a mad woman. So I need to maybe braid the hair. So today I'm planning to go and braid the hair, cut short my nails, and maybe do a nail treatment so that I can be ready for labor. I don't have my ring because the ring now is not fitting me. I think it's the weight. And also I'm having this edema on my fingers and also on my legs. That's why I don't have my ring. Actually, today I woke up in urge to cleaning, and I hear that when you wake up having the urge to clean when you are pregnant, just know that labor is just around the corner. I don't know how true is that, but today I've cleaned. I've really cleaned. Right now I'm waiting for my cab to be here so that I can leave, and as I'm waiting for the cab, let me do my ball exercise. You know, we are preparing for labor.
We say goodbye. They all see that it's a lie, 'cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I can.
With the Pregnant Women Association, we never leave behind snacks and water because we get hungry anywhere and anytime. I already did my hair, and now I'm here for the nails appointment. This is my plug for you guys. This is where I've been doing my nails because most of you have been asking me where I do my nails. I do them at Turin Nails and Wigs Parlor, located at Jewel Complex, which is at Thika Road next to TRM Mall. We are in second floor, room number 220. And guys, this has been my to-go-to nail parlor because they do their nails very well. Their nails are lasting. Actually, you'll see how they have grown my nails. You should visit them. These are my 3 weeks nails. They have not even chipped. So guys, let's work on my nails, cut them short. And I'm feeling so bad I'm going to be cutting these nails short. But let me do a nail treatment today and give the nails a break to breathe.
'Cause you never show.
My legs decided to act up on me, and I had to leave without doing a pedicure because I wouldn't sit any longer, because I know they were swelling up because of sitting for longer times, doing my hair and also doing my nails. Hello guys, I'm in the middle of doing another video, and I remembered that I've not shown you the hairstyle that I got. I left you at I was going to do my hair and my nails, and this is the hairstyle that I got. Just simple knotless braids, and they were held in a bun because I didn't feel like I would handle anything that is falling on my shoulders, on my back, and yeah. So that's the hairstyle, ready for delivery and ready for motherhood. That's how it looks, nothing much. And then for my nails, they were cut short. I did the nail treatment, and this is how they look. I didn't apply anything because I feel like they need a break. I've done my nails back to back for the longest time, and now I feel like they need a break, and this is the right time to give them that break.
'Cause you never show. You say.
Today I'm going to be cleaning the baby's feeding bottles. Yesterday time would not allow. I was to do it yesterday, but I was getting late for my hair and nail appointment, so I had to leave without having cleaned these utensils. So I'm doing this, and then later I'm going to be nesting and arranging the baby's clothes so that they can be all ready. I'm using Milton tablets to sterilize the feeding bottles for the baby. I'm going to be putting the instructions on how to use the Milton tablets on the screen so that you can be able to read through.
get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving.
The next task of the day is to clean and disinfect this chest of drawers so that I'm able to arrange the baby's clothes and items all together. I mean nesting, and for that I'm going to be using Magni all-purpose cleaner and disinfectant.
I'ma leave without giving a.
So we are done cleaning. Let's give it some few, like 5 minutes. It dries up, and because I didn't use a lot of disinfectant, so it's going to take shortest time possible. So let me give it some few minutes. It dries up, and then we get back to arranging the baby's clothes. So by now it's already dry. So I have some few organizers that I got from Kilimall. This is how they look for the baby socks and mittens, baby socks, mittens, those small items that could get lost. This is how the organizers looks like. I have this smaller one. This is a bit big. I have this one which is quite big. So for them to be strong, they have a zipper at the back. You just zip up, yeah, and that's it. Then I have this last one, and this is how it looks. It will accommodate more smaller clothes for the baby. So let's zip it up. This is how it looks when zipped up. This is how it looks when in the drawer. So I'm going to be placing the baby's clothes inside them, and each will hold a different type of clothes for the baby. I got this from Kilimall. In case you're interested, you can check it from there. These other drawers have a few of these that I'm going to be using to line before I place the baby's clothes, like the flannels, the blankets, the baby shoes. Yeah, I had placed some of my baby's clothes in the laundry baskets, but the laundry basket is still for the baby. I'm just going to transfer the clothes to the drawers.
But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you know.
Here I'm just separating the long sleeve onesies with the short sleeved onesies for it to be easier when dressing the baby.
Show, you say you will, but then you don't. Let's let it go. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind, so
The lowermost drawer will be having maybe my items like the maternity pads, and these two drawers will be used for, one will be used for stocking up diapers after they are removed from the diaper pack, and these will be stocked with the baby's shower essentials, if that's the right word to call them. So here will be the baby's showering essentials and the oils, and then this will be for the diapers that we are using at the moment. So this needs to be cleaned. This is not yet clean, so this is going to be cleaned today actually. Let me put it down there. Then I'm going to stock up the diapers inside here.
I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. I just wanna be happy.